Right. Hi guys, I'm Mr. Khor. I specialize in teaching biology, and today we'll be looking at Selangor State Paper, Selangor State Paper 2021. All right. So in Selangor, the state paper, we call it Module Pintas. I mean, no particular reason why. It's just specific for Selangor lah. Okay. And because for the past few years, guys, I've been teaching in Selangor for 10 years lah. So for the past few years, memang there are two sets. Yeah, meaning there's a first set, there's also a second set. Okay, so school teachers have the flexibility of selecting either set. But from experience, guys, although there are two sets, they try to have it. I mean, let's say for a particular question, they try to ask within the same chapter. Okay. Anyway, so today we are looking at paper 1. So guys, let's get right into it. Okay, guys, let's start. So I hope you have either attempted the set and waiting for the answer now, or if not, you have even checked your answer, but you do not know why you got it wrong. So guys, that's the purpose of this particular video. Okay, all right, come, let's start. So question 1 here, they are asking something from Bab 1 Form 4 itself. So these are the directions, and guys, this is considered an easy question. From the top, it's called dorsal. From the top, we call it dorsal. From the bottom, ventral. Guys, front anterior, back posterior. If you find this helpful, you can copy. Okay, dorsal, from the bottom ventral, front anterior, back posterior. Okay. Next, question 2. Guys, question 2. Right. Okay, now for question 2, they are showing you a type of tissue. They are showing you a type of connective tissue. All right. So the keyword here is more to collagen fiber. Guys, the keyword here is more to collagen fiber. So collagen fiber tells you that it is ligament. Okay, collagen fiber tells you that it's ligament, something from Form 4 Chapter 2. All right. Yeah, the rest are a bit unrelated. Okay, question 3. Guys, so they show you a moisturizer. Then inside got a liposome. Inside got liposome. So the question is, which of the following can improve the function of that particular product? Okay, so how does the technology, in fact, guys, how does the technology, this is a little bit of K-bar. This is a little bit of K-bar. So guys, if I start from number 1, ensure the active substance react faster. No, not really. Okay. So if you have seen liposome in any question, this ensures that protection is provided. Perlindungan dibekalkan. Protection is provided to the active substance, okay, which is in the moisturizer lah. Okay, ensure minimum usage. No, this is completely out, and it helps to ensure that it reaches the target organ. So from here, you can see the answer is C. Okay. Normally they'll ask something like this a bit further, but for this particular set, they actually ask it quite early lah. Means, guys, in 40 questions, you don't expect to see everything that you know or you have studied before. There's always that few questions whereby I would always say this, there's a little bit of luck factor. Luck factor as in, have you encountered before? Also, coincidentally, the question is not really from your syllabus, but along the way, you have heard of someone talking about it. Okay. Okay, guys, number 4 here. Which of the following properties of water ensures survival of this polar bear? The answer is boy. The answer is boy. Okay, guys. Polarity is related to water being a universal solvent. Whereas for C, this is a bit more to plants because of cohesion and adhesion. Guys, because of cohesion adhesion, water can be transported in plants. Water can be transported in plants. Now, specific heat capacity means, guys, a lot of heat energy is needed to change the temperature. So polar bears, they are able to maintain a certain temperature quite easily. Okay, so answer is boy. Same as human, guys. For understanding human, our body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. It doesn't fluctuate that much. Definitely, because throughout the pandemic, guys, remember, we have to check our temperature before entering the shop or the mall. So my temperature is constantly 36.3. Is it normal? Yeah. Okay, then as for question number 5, okay, so this larutan, this solution contains this much, oh yeah, we are learning English, contains this much sodium chloride, 0.85 gram. Okay, let's look at the question. Which of the following is the justification of giving this solution X? Okay, solution X. So guys, the reason why we give the drip is to make sure it is isotonic. The keyword here is always isotonic. Guys, we don't give something hypo or hyper one. We don't give something hyper or hypo. So for this here, you just have to locate the word isotonic. No, this one nothing. Answer is donkey. Guys, isotonic. Isotonic. Okay, number 5, donkey. Number 6 is very simple. Active site. Active site is this. Guys, this is considered the active site. Okay, very easy this one. Very easy. Then number 7. Okay, so thermophilic bacteria. Guys, thermophilic bacteria. Actually, this thermophilic, you encounter it in Form 5 lah. You do encounter this word in Form 5. Thermophilic bacteria. If I'm not mistaken, Form 5 Bab 8. Form 5 Bab 8. Form 5 Bab 8. Form 5 Bab 8. Yeah, Form 5 Bab 8. The beginning part. We call it 6 kingdom system. Because by the time you attempt trial paper, most likely you are nearly finishing your Form 5 syllabus. Okay. So they got tell you they can survive in this particular temperature. So it means that they function well. They function well at high temperatures. They function well at high temperatures. Okay. 70 answer donkey. Meiosis is specifically for gametes, meaning reproductive cells. So guys, this is a no-brainer question. So Alan Senang. If you're wondering, sir, how about the rest? Obviously, the rest undergoes mitosis. Okay. Only gametes, reproductive cell, undergo mitosis. Sometimes I draw this funny diagram. Guys, your whole body, okay, essentially undergoes your whole body. Wait, let me take your whole body. All the cells undergo mitosis except here. So the circle here. Meiosis, meaning reproductive cell. The rest all mitosis. Yep. Okay, number 9, guys. Number 9, I'm not too sure why they show the. Sorry, the first thing I noticed is the teeth. Why got brown teeth, guys? Anyway, that's not part of the question. Okay. Mentally retarded slanted eyes will tell you that this is Down syndrome. Okay, Down syndrome, you learn it quite a few times, starting from Form 4 Bab 6, the ending, aplikasi. You learn it from Form 4 Bab 6. Then you will still see this under mutation. You'll see this under the subtopic of mutation, okay, in the ending topics of Form 5. So guys, number 9 here, why got such a genetic disorder? Okay, guys, what is Down syndrome? Down syndrome occurs because there exists one extra chromosome. I missed out the one. One extra chromosome at chromosome 21. One extra chromosome at chromosome 21. Why got one extra? Because at the very start, the homologous chromosome failed to separate. Okay. You can draw one star. One star because it's very popular, not because it's very hard. Okay, so number 9, donkey. Or 10 is easy lah, huh? Yeast fermentation means in the absence of oxygen. Anaerobic mah. In the absence of oxygen, when we break down glucose, yeast, we cannot get lactic acid. Definitely it's ethanol. And guys, if you have done your revision, you should know that this is carbon dioxide. With that said, please hafal all the equations for chapter 7. Okay. Okay, the following statements are related to respiratory system. Guys, 11 here, answer is referring to because we talk about the skin and then the lungs. So these two are obviously frog, insect, fish. Lamella is found in the filament fish. W is frog lah. So answer donkey lah, guys. Answer donkey. So just follow this. W, Z, frog, X, fish, then Y, insect. Okay, guys, to calculate the energy value. In exam, they don't provide you the formula. So I always recommend students to hafal this by yourselves. The mass of water multiplied by increase in temperature multiplied by 4.2 divided by mass of food. So guys, if you plug in all the values, water how much? 20 ml, increase in temperature 20 degrees Celsius multiplied by, 4.2, the constant. Mass of food is 0.5. That's my phone. Okay, so 22. Mass of water increase in temperature 2.2. Okay, so you should get 3360 joule per gram. Joule per gram, guys. And just to share a bit with you, or rather revise lah, not share lah. Joule per gram is calorie. So guys, I further improve this to 3.36 kilojoule per gram, which means the closest answer. I mean, if we carry forward, so guys, number 12 answer is boy. Okay, number 12 boy. 13, one look, you should know this is Edema. Edema disebabkan. This is due to accumulation of the fluid. Accumulation, you can see, actually this is elephantiasis. Elephantiasis. I mean something more serious than edema. So simply because not prevent, not like that. Not blood vessel lah. Not blood vessel. In fact, blood vessel wrong already. Lymphatic vessel. Guys, lymphatic vessel cannot transport blood. Lymphatic vessel transport lymph. So this comes down to answer donkey. Lymphatic vessel prevent lymphatic fluid or lymph also can from returning to the blood. Okay, guys, if you forgot, please go through Form 4 Part 10. Form 4 Part 10. The formation of interstitial fluid and how they flow back to the venule. Okay, 14, artificial, but they never state whether it's active or passive. Guys, artificial, I always ask my students to draw this. Wow, today my drawing a bit chachan. Okay, so injection. So you only have these two lah. Because just to be a bit more specific, this is natural, passive. Natural, active. So therefore 1 and 2, 14 answer A. 14 answer is A. Fever second line, all right, which is true about the defense mechanism. Which is true about defense mechanism. No, this one. This one is C. Guys, this one is C. This one is C. Because why? The second line involves phagocytosis. Phagocytosis. Now, just to revise a bit, this is the third line. This is the strongest line of defense, producing antibodies. So this is C. Okay, guys, 16. 16, they split into K and L. They split into K and L. So you have to know the disease. You have to know the disease. Okay. Something to do with the nervous. Actually, both also to do with nervous system. Both to do with nervous system. Damage to the brain. I'm studying a bit off. This is actually cerebral palsy. Guys, these 2 points are damage to the brain, motor neuron cannot function, is cerebral palsy. Yeah. Okay, so the keyword is this damage of myelin sheath. Damage of myelin sheath will tell you that this is multiple sclerosis. This is multiple sclerosis. Okay. Okay, so for multiple sclerosis, the symptom, I try to give you the symptom. Normally, like got some vision problem. Multiple sclerosis. Yeah, you have some visual problem. Then speech problem. Then weak muscles. Actually, a lot of symptom, guys. A lot of symptom. Multiple sclerosis. Okay, 17 is straightforward. Bowman's capsule is where ultrafiltration occurs. Okay, 18. Guys, 18, lack of calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D. If you have done enough practice, you should know that this is rickets. Rickets means this, they'll show you the legs. I mean, not like this, but rickets, okay? Now, 19, Which one has diploid? Okay, so guys, this is haploid, diploid, haploid, because spermatid is right before forming sperms. This one is already haploid. Okay, so answer is boy. As 19 is boy. If you are not too sure, refer to any diagram from any text, from your textbook, from any reference books. They'll write there with N or 2N, because diploid is 2N, haploid is N. They're always bracket put by the side. So look at the diagram and compare. Okay, 19 boy. Yeah? Now guys, this is a stair-slide curve. This is a stair-slide curve. Okay, check. PQ with a PQS. Right. Okay, which is correct with regards to the curve? Which is correct? Body length increase at QS because of the soft exoskeleton. This is correct. Because acidosis occur here. So what's acidosis? They shed exoskeleton. They shed the exoskeleton. That's why they quickly grow. Don't worry, let's check the rest. Body length increase because body mass increase. Body length increase because body mass. Not only the length, guys, it's the whole body. PQ tidak meningkat does not increase because there's no growth. No, not because no growth, but because exoskeleton is hard. Exoskeleton keras, susah nak bertumbuh. No lah, guys. This is funny question. So A is very accurate, guys. A is downright very accurate. Okay, 21. We're looking at plants suddenly. Yeah, we're looking at plants suddenly. Once you see a plant question, means you have entered Form 5 question already. So guys, for 21 here, oh, they love to ask this. Draw one star. Permanent tissue, dead cells, and sometimes they ask which ground tissue is specifically for the support of woody plants. Which ground tissue is specifically for support of woody plants? Guys, sclerenchyma. Because only this is dead. These are dead cells. Other than sclerenchyma, guys, xylem are also dead cells. Okay, please take note, draw one star. Now, 22 here, you should secondary growth. Secondary growth means the plant grows sideways. The plant grows like circumference. Circumference. So answer is A. Circumference means diameter. The length here is what? Primary growth. Guys, primary growth. 1. The other two, no relationship. Okay, 23. Which one can undergo photosynthesis? Okay, guys, this is a very good question. Draw one star. P can, because P is palisade mesophyll cell, they are very compact, so to maximize sunlight absorption. Q also have. Q is spongy. R, yeah, gut cells have. But S don't have. Guys, please take note, epidermal cells do not have chloroplasts. Epidermal cells, no chloroplasts. Okay, so answer is P, Q, R. 23. 23 answer is donkey. P, Q, R. Because P is palisade, Q is spongy. They do have chloroplasts. Guys, gut cells also have. So P, Q, R. Answer is donkey. Okay, guys, moving to 24 here. Carnivorous plant can synthesize their own food, but why do they trap insects? Okay, this is a bit of K-but. Guys, draw 1 star, 24, you write K but. Why carnivorous plants, like the pitcher plant, trap insect to be digested? Okay, because they live in places whereby nitrogen is not enough. Guys, nitrogen is not enough. It's more of a K bar lah. It's more of a K bar. Okay, guys, question 25. Which of the following clarify correctly importance of X? Guys, X is root hair cell. X is root hair cell. Okay. So clarify correctly the importance of this one. Because of the root hair, this increases surface area for uptake of water and mineral salt. So answer is A. 25, answer A. Okay, 26 here is ringing of the stem. When we carry out ringing of the stem, guys, flowworm is removed. S is the top, huh? S will swell, T will shrink. Why swell? Because the food accumulate, organic solute accumulate. While bottom part do not get food, it will kerchut. Guys, it will shrink. 27. Oh, pity, they put janjarum. Okay, so guys. So they stated to you obviously that this is phytoremediation. Guys, what is phytoremediation? We put a plant there, they can absorb. Some can absorb the metal, some can absorb the toxic substances. I always recommend students to I always recommend students to go through the textbook. So guys, if you follow the textbook, because this one is what? Plumbum. This is lead pollution. Lead is always water hygiene. Yeah. Okay, lead is always hygiene. Water hygiene. Keladi bunting. This one nothing much lah. Mechanical stimulation is seismonasty. 28A. 29 phytohormone, meaning plant hormone. Puan X. What a funny name. Normally we put Puan A X. Normally we used to label stuff lah. Okay, Madam X bought young mango and ripe banana. She wants to ripen. Ripen, we straight away know is Italy. What is the best way, guys? So in order to make sure it ripen faster, we can normally wrap it lah. We wrap it. Okay, A is wrong. Okay, A is wrong. This one is okay. We don't put in refrigerator because it slows down the ripening process. Guys, we put in refrigerator to slow down the ripening process. Just like fruits, why do we keep in the fridge? To make sure they don't ripen too fast. Okay, so this one here, put together with ripe banana. Because banana will release ethylene. For the ripening of mangoes. Okay, guys, question 30 here. After double fertilization, okay? Okay, so the ovule become fruit. No, not ovule, ovary. One is wrong. Integument become the seed. No, ovule become the seed. Ovary wall become endocarp, exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp. Yes. Yes. So answer is donkey. Okay. So this one here is donkey. 30 donkey. 31. What happens if cut at K? Because K is the stigma. If K is the stigma, means pollen grain cannot land, pollination cannot occur, no double fertilization. No? So zygote cannot be formed, obviously. Pericarp integument not formed, yeah. Ovary not developed. Ovary not developed. In the first place, this cannot happen. Yeah. Embryo sac failed to produce 8 nuclei. Embryo sac failed in the first place. You see, if we cut, because there's already ovule and ovary, ovary not developed. Guys, there's nothing to do with seedless fruits. 3 is definitely out. 2 is okay lah. 2 is definitely okay. Embryo sac failed to produce 8 nuclei. Embryo sac failed to produce 8 nuclei. Oh, okay. No. This is wrong. Because why? They are talking about embryo sac formation. They are talking about embryo sac formation. There's still 8 nucleus. The 8 are still there. Let me draw for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 3 antipodal cells, 2 synergid cells, 1 egg cell, and then these 2 are the polar nuclei. So these 8 are the ones they are referring to. So even with or without double fertilization, memang sudah ada 8 nucleus tersebut. So answer is definitely A. Confirm A. Okay, 32 guys, this is exactly a water hycine, the one we answered earlier. So water hycine, guys, they want the adaptation. They want the adaptation. Succulent leaf store water, no lah, no. Fibrous root, large surface area. Many lenticel, no. Yes, so 2 and 4. C. Quite easy. This is quite easy, guys. 32 C. 33, this is HIV. 33, this is HIV. Now HIV here do not attack plants, not attack bacteria. No lah, you don't get from mosquito. Itu Aedes dengue The answer is donkey. You can get through blood transfusion. Means someone got HIV in the blood. If let's say the blood is put into another person, transfused into another person, then the person can get also HIV, which means AIDS. Guys, AIDS is the disease. HIV is the virus. 34, decomposition carried out by decomposing bacteria. All right. Now, which of the following is the short-term effect? No decomposer. This one no problem. This one okay, can happen. I mean, this one is wrong. This one still can happen. This one still can happen. Less fertile, no relationship. This one still can be fixed because these two are early. These two are considered early points. Because decomposers come later, guys. If you go through nitrogen cycle chapter 8, plant consumed by herbivore die, then only decomposers come in. This one cannot be broken down. 34 donkey, guys, 34 donkey. These are mangrove roots. These are mangrove roots. So first one here is pneumatophore. Okay, pneumatophore. These are prop roots, buttress roots. All right, 35, you should get C. Cable root also can. Cable root also can. Cable root, then coming up would be the pneumatophores. Cable root, coming up, pneumatophores. Okay, 36, guys. Pollution, chapter 10. Human activity cause water pollution. Yeah, correct. Okay, so increased BOD. Yeah, increased BOD means more polluted. Disrupt the chain. Yeah, no, it does not maintain. Does not affect temperature. So A, guys, this is A. 36A, 37. My favorite topic. My favorite topic. Inheritance. Yeah, sometimes my students want to troll me. So I thought your favorite topic is reproduction. I say no lah. This is more fun. Okay, so how to get 1 to 1? The moment you see one side all dominant, the ratio is 1. Big small ratio 3 to 1. This is 1 to 1. This one ratio 1. Answer is C. If you're not too sure, guys, you can always cross it out. Different size, take out both. Same size, take out 1. This is tall, this is short. So answer is C. 37C. Now 38. Why got different shape? Because of the environment. This is not genetic. Okay, 38 answer is donkey. Crossing over. So this one does not lead to albinism. Anyway, guys, there's no other answer because it's definitely crossing over. So no, the rest are irrelevant. Okay, guys, last question for now. Which of the following is an application of DNA profiling? Guys, DNA profiling means each and every one of us have our own DNA profile. Each and every one of us have our own DNA profile. Okay. Nothing to do with this. This one. Okay. Nothing to do with this. Okay. Yeah. 40C. 40C. This is from Bart 13. Last topic, Form 5. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope to see you again. So this set that we have just done is Selangor Paper 1 Biology 2021. All right. So, guys, till next time, I'll see you. Take care. Good luck. Bye-bye.